Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will explain Google Home won't turn on and simple yet effective ways to fix it. Number 1. Check power connection. Ensure you are using the original power adapter and cable. Plug the device directly into a working wall outlet, avoiding surge protectors. Number 2. Discharge the device. Unplug the power adapter from both the outlet and the device. Leave it unplugged for at least 20 seconds. Then reconnect the adapter to the device and plug it into the outlet. Number 3. Try a different outlet. Plug the device into another non-working outlet to rule out issues with the power source. Number 4. Observe LED indicators. After plugging in, check for any LED lights on the device. If no light appear, the device may not be receiving power. Thanks for watching.